When you open Excel sheet, you must see a developer tab, and if you do not see here, click on any tab, right click, customize the ribbon, find the developer, okay, or click on file, option, customize ribbon, check in developer, then okay. Developer may help you. Let's take example. If I click developer, design mode, and let's see if it is here, and again you cannot do anything, you cannot move, so click on developer, design mode. Now you're able to move it. Again click developer, design mode, you're able to use it again. Make sure it is macro enabled. File, save as, choose Excel macro enable, workbook, save. If you don't see a tab here, click on option, show chart, show the test area. Further, the main thing, you need to change your GFI code. Click here. This area you need to change. For example, I do not use heat. Then go to GFI tab, click on storage, inner. Now all the sheet changed to storage. All the tabs underneath, example business account 1, storage, main summary, storage. Come to the main tab, put your company name. Year you do not need to put, you can put later on, and phone number. Most of the times we use MMDDYYY for the date format. As a sample, I put all the data there just to give you how to put the date, description 1, whatever you want, the main thing amount and description, and you can choose from here. But if you do not want to do this one, if you want to VLOOK, then you have to populate this area. As example, I put it here like a Visa statement. On the Visa card, it can use automatically. You can use all three tabs, the same thing, data, cash, and business one or business card. Wherever you want to put any information, of course, if you like to put the business card separately, you can put on business card. Or if you want to do a business account directly from debit card, you can put it at business account. You can navigate a GFI. If you want to go directly to operating expenses, click here. This is OE, operating expenses. I use most of the times HST. If you put HST here, then at summary sheet, it will calculate automatically. Example, at insurance, no HST. But if you go back at GFI tab, and if you put here HST, you see here it comes automatically and it will calculate all HST for you. If you think there is no HST on insurance, then you can put here 0. By the way, I'm not teaching you accounting. I'm showing you how to use this sheet. You can click on web. You see useful information, some video, and some formulas. And there's all other stuff which is quite tough. I put it over here. You can watch the video for learn more. And a version history, you're looking for this one. If you see other coming soon, test area will not work on this sheet. I gave you another sheet which will work, or you can mess up the sheet. Example, you can change equal to these numbers, but better you can use another sheet. You get 2 files from me. The second sheet is test area. At this sheet you can do a testing. I think so this is good enough for this, a quick start. You can play around. You will understand later on. Thank you. Have a nice day.